Today's story will shake you. Do you have a simple 1989 USA quarter dollar with a D, the mint mark? If yes, this could be your golden ticket. Do you? No, this coin, worth just 25 cents at face value, could actually make you more than $50,000 if you find the right one. Yes, $50,000. Imagine holding a small piece of history in your pocket that could pay for a car, a house deposit, or even your dream lifestyle. Now the shocking question, do you have it? Many people are spending this coin every day, not knowing. It's a life-changing treasure. If one of these 1989 quarters is in your collection, or even sitting quietly in your pocket change, you might be sitting on a fortune. Collectors around the world are paying big money for rare errors, mint condition, pieces, and high-graded 1989 quarter dollars. The most valuable one ever recorded sold for nearly $45,000, and some could even touch $60,000 in the right auction. That's not just a coin, that's a jackpot in your hand. But why is this coin so special? The 1989 USA quarter dollar carries the famous image of George Washington, the first president of the United States, a symbol of freedom and leadership. On the reverse, you'll see the proud eagle, wings wide, representing the power of America. This design itself tells a story of strength, pride, and history. Now let's talk about the D mint mark. Coins struck at the Denver Mint in 1989 are more valuable in certain grades and conditions. The DI mint mark underlines its origin, and some era strikes or perfectly preserved coins from Denver are the ones collectors go crazy for. Think of it this way. A normal 1989 quarter is just 25 cents, but a rare mint error or a flawless high piece could bring you $25,000, $40,000, or even $60,000. Yes, $60,000 for a coin that most people spend without thinking twice. That's the shocking truth about pocket change. It hides wealth. Every single day. The value of collectible coins is rising. As collectors compete, prices skyrocket. What was worth $1,000 yesterday could be worth $10,000 tomorrow. This is why coin collecting is not just a hobby. It's an investment that can transform your future. Imagine this. You find a 1989 quarter dollar in your drawer. You check the condition, and you discover it's an error coin or in mint state. You list it on auction, and suddenly bidders are fighting for it. The final hammer price, $50,000. In one sale, your life just changed. This is why people say, never underestimate old coins. They are more powerful than stocks, more surprising than lottery tickets, because they are already in your hands. They don't cost you $1, but they can give you tens of thousands in return. Now, let's dive into history. The Washington quarter first appeared in 1932, replacing the standing Liberty quarter. By 1989, it had become one of the most common coins in America. But common doesn't mean worthless. Within the mass of millions, some rare gems exist, and those rare gems are what collectors want at any price. The eagle, on the reverse of this quarter, is not just decoration, it is a national emblem. It represents courage, power, and freedom. This isn't just a coin, it's a piece of America's soul. That's why it has such high demand among collectors. And here's something to think about. Not every coin is valuable. Scratches, heavy wear, or damage can reduce the value. But if your 1989 D quarter is in near-perfect condition, graded by professionals, it can fetch enormous sums. The better the condition, the bigger the dollar value. You might be asking, where can I sell this coin? The answer is simple: online auctions, coin shows, collectors markets, or even private dealers. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are full of buyers willing to pay crazy money. And yes, you can sell this coin and become rich. That's not an exaggeration, that's reality. One successful sale could mean paying off debt, buying a car, or giving your family a secure future. Some people throw coins away, others keep them. The smart ones research them, grade them, and sell them. Which group do you want to belong to? The poor spender or the rich seller? So here's the deal. Go check your coins right now. Search through your pocket change, your old jars, your collections. You might already have this treasure waiting for you. Don't let it slip away. A single $60,000 quarter could be enough to change your life forever. Imagine telling your friends you became rich from just a 25-cent coin. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. So, sell me this coin and become rich. Yes, you, watching right now. If you find it, you have the